Hello friends, welcome to wavescript.info and I welcome all of you to my Laravel video series which is based on a project, and we are going to continue our project. And in the last video we have seen how to save records in our database. Till now we have seen a lot of things like migrations, how to create controllers, how to create models, how to display the records, how the blade templating engine works, and we are going to see a lot more in this video. First we are going to see the alternative way of saving the record, which is more secure than the current way we are doing. So let's continue. And one thing I noticed, we don't have any unique field in our form. So we have a student name, we have a student role, address, but no email or username, anything like that. So just to make it unique, I will add one more input field using the migration command. So let's continue. First of all, let me add the column name in this form or in the table. Here it is. So browse structure, we have okay, let's add it. This is our file and this is a command prompt, and I will stop the server for a while. Okay, so it's stopped, and you can type simply php artisan neck colon. I just want to create migration file, right? So for that I have type migration make colon migration, and I will have to say the name of the file. I just want to create migration file, so I'm not going to create a table, I'm going to add a column in the existing table. So for that I will say add underscore column. Let's specify the name of the column. Email, add email column in which table? You use students table. And you'll have to pass one option, which table, right? So I'll have to say hyphen name of the table where we want to add it, and equal to table name is simply students. So it's php artisan make colon migration add email column in students table, and this is whatever you want you can write for your simplicity. It's not necessary to it should belong like this. It is your wish. Now hit enter. And did you mean make migration? Yes, of course I mean that. So whatever migration spelling is not correct. Migration, it's migration. Okay, once again hit enter, and here the magic happened. Migration file created. Now let's take a look of this migration file. Here add email column, right? And this is like this. So up to add something, down to drop something. So first I will add table arrow string. Obviously it's an email field. I'm gonna add a string. I'll have to say email. Okay, string email, and it will be unique. Save this, save all. So I will migrate my migration files. For that I will say php artisan migrate. So I want to drop all the table first and recreate once again. So for that I'm using fresh. php artisan migrate colon fresh, hit enter. Now it's dropping the table, migrating, dropping, migrating. So all the dropping and migration done. Right, come back and refresh the page, your database page, and see we don't have any data, plus we have one extra column email, and that's it. So we'll have to add in the here also. So in our form create.blade.php we have string, right? Let's copy it. So here string email, and string email, and name will be student email. Save all. Okay, refresh. Okay, our server is not running. Yeah, it's fine. We have the email field, right? Now let's try to save the data. So we'll have to make sure the controller is good. controller, string controller, and here we are storing the data. So this is one way of saving the record. Here I'm gonna add one more thing. So it's simply email from the string model, not string email, it's just email. I forgot to mention student. Save all, refresh, string name, so I'm very Gmail, string role 44, string address. Save. And again the string got saved. Refresh here and we have the data. Now let's try to save once again this record, and you will come up with an error. It's because of duplicate entry Rizwan. We have specified it's a unique field in migration file, right? So what I want the validation. Simple. For validation, and before validation, let me show you the another magic of Blade templating engine. Instead of showing the saved message in a different page, just I want to show the top of this card. So I'm going to create this is a view folder, and I'm going to create one more folder and name it session, because I will store the message in session. So it's a session folder, and create a new file. It will be success whenever we saved successfully. Success. Or it's better to show you first what I want to do. So here, once the student record saved, I will say return. Now once it saves, I will return and redirect. So this is another helper. Here I can pass the route. So where I want to, after saving, I want to go the create page, see the route. Stop the server for a while. PHP artisan route list. So here is our route list, and I want to go this page, create page after saving the record. So route, you can use a URL, redirect URL, and you can simply use this route. So first see the route. Student dot create. You can go to this route, and I want to say something after saving in that page. This is a function which stores the session message. That is also called flash message. So create a variable success or the index and say here record saved successfully. What if fails to save? Simply return and say back with input. So it will back with the input. Save all. Okay, so we are not displaying this success anywhere up to now. So come here, create page. For now I'm displaying here, but in this way I'll have to display everywhere. So I just will create something global. At the rate, if there is a helper session or has, we are checking if it has success. This success belongs to this success. It has success. Index, and simply say session get the index success. Save it. Save all. So whenever it saves successfully, you will get this message. Our server is not running. We'll have to start it once again. Reload the page. and type the name. Not this time, this one will be and I will say the roll number and save it. And yep, we have the message showing record successfully, record saved successfully. This is what we want. Go back and save getbootstrap.com. Get started quickly. Get started and components, and here you can look for alert. It's simply here. Alert with close option. Yep. Copy and we can paste here. Cut, and the message will go here. Here, strong message. Save all. Fresh, and say here Karthik email Karthik@gmail.com, roll number 55. Kerala. Save. We got the success. Student record saved successfully. You can close it. Okay, it's not closing. Okay, that's not our main target. So here say success. Save it. Now I'm going to show you the another magic of Blade templating engine, which is here. Just get it from here and Control X cut. I have created a session folder. Here I'm going to create a new file. Save it as success. Whenever a success, I will got this page. Success.blade.php. Save. Paste the code here. Okay. And okay, we need to get this also. Save it. So I have shown you how to extend and how to include, not yield. Extend and yield. Now I'm going to show you another Blade magic, that is include. So what I'm gonna say here, @ include, and name of the folder, that is the session, and name of the file we want to include, that is success. Save. Session success. Save all. Reload the page and save. adil@gmail.com. Yeah, and Delhi. Save. And the same thing happened here. We don't need to rewrite again and again. Just get the success file. Success should record saved successfully. Now let's deal with error, or let's see the time. So in the next video we will see how to validate. There are tons of ways available. Sorry, I forgot to show you the another way of saving the record, right? So let me finish it quickly. Shell controller and come back here. So this is one way of saving the record. The another way that is the most secure, and that way is the wrapper around this save method. So I'm gonna comment this for a while and simply type here. So we already imported the student model. say it's very easy. Student, and it's a student model, and it has a create static method, and we need to simply pass the array what you want to save. We want to save these 3 records: student name, and here simply the request. Email also. So here it will be role, address, email. Here say email and address. So by calling this create method, we simply save this record, and just to make confirmation, get the confirmation the record is saved or not, we will store the result in the string variable. Now student, and I will say simply copy this return statement, copy and paste here, save, and let's save it. Save all. Now let's refresh this and try to save a record. Okay. Gmail roll number 55 or 7087. Student roll done, and the address Kolkata. Save, and we got the error. As I told you, it's a more secure way of saving the record. So it's we need to specify a protected variable in the model class, that is the fillable. Then only it will allow the mass assignment. That is, the mass assignment is the multiple assignment, and whatever the record you want to save, we will have to specify. We can't save it directly. So these records I want to save. Copy, go to your model. So where the model, student model, here it is, and create a variable which is actually the variable of this model. Have to specify protected $fillable, and it takes an array. Here it is. Name. These records you want to save, so we'll have to save it. Save all, go back, save. Integrity column constraint email cannot be null. Really? Okay. Go to the controller. It's a request input email. What is the variable name? Okay, it's student email. Copy it. Paste here. Sorry. It's email in database, but in email in database, here input it will be student email. Save all, go back, save. And you can see the message success students record saved successfully. So we have seen another way of saving the record. In the next video we will see how to validate every input fields, and like the student email already exists or roll number already exists, input numbers, alphanumeric, numeric, there are a lot of things. So thanks for watching. Then don't forget to like and subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends,